Hi everyone, my name is Manoj Kumar, and in this video I'm just enjoying the view outside. I don't know what to say. The world is full of chaos. Looking for peace in my life. As you can see, the nature always surprises me. Just look at this. Even after losing hope, there is a hope. It's trying to grow. Incredible. We live in the same world where one side these trees and plants are trying to help human with oxygen, and on the other side we as a human trying to spoil the mother nature, oxygen, everything. Also noise pollution. After seeing the giant tree, I just want to thank God for everything. Thankfully we have the food, cloth and shelter. We are blessed.